comes to packing for your Wilderness Voyageurs biking vacation, it's important to have a plan to avoid forgetting key pieces of gear or accidentally overpacking. We have developed a quick and simple checklist to help you pack, but we also want to give you some tricks to pack as efficiently as possible. To start out, let's take a look at the best luggage to use. We have limited space in our support and gear vehicle, making it important to pack an appropriately sized bag. Some great options are soft-sided roller suitcases, like this, or medium-sized duffels, like these. A good rule of thumb is to keep your bag about the size of a standard carry-on you would use for plane or train travel. Additionally, you can bring along a small backpack to access throughout the day. You will see the support vehicle about every 15 miles or so during each ride, so you can use this day pack to store extra layers, wallet, or other items you don't necessarily need to carry on your bike. Let's start planning what clothing, gear, accessories, and personal items you will need on your tour. To keep your packing as simple as possible, you want to think about how you can layer your cycling clothes and how you can re-wear your after-ride casual clothes. The best layering systems for cycling are lightweight and wicking base layers closest to your skin, mid layers to keep you warm, and then an additional waterproof shell or rain jacket to keep you dry. For many spring and fall trips, the days tend to start out chilly and become warm by the afternoon, so it's important to think about your layers. Once you have your layering system down, consider what you can wear more than once, what will be easy to rinse, and if there are any items you definitely can't use more than once. As far as casual clothing, it's best to carefully plan mix and match items so that you can re-wear a few pieces throughout your trip. We have laid out recommended quantities for each of these clothing items in your packing checklist, so make sure you check those out. There is a bit of gear to bring with you as well, but for the most part this gear is what you'll actively use while biking and won't be packed away in your luggage. If you are running out of space, it might be best to throw some of these items in your day pack. Refer to the full list of required, highly recommended, and optional gear and accessories in your packing checklist. Last, but certainly not least, make sure to bring along all your personal items, like medication, glasses, and deodorant, just to name a few. Once everything is packed, you are ready to hit the road for your biking vacation. If you have any additional questions, please refer to the packing checklist, and don't hesitate to reach out to your tour reservation specialists.